Do a favor on future you and start studying now. Good morning students. Welcome back to our class. Today we will start revision of representation of geographical features. As I have already told you, there are various ways to represent our earth. Map is one of them. A map is a visual representation of the earth on a flat surface. A map shows detailed features of an area as compared to a globe. On the basis of information, map can be classified into three categories: political maps, physical maps, thematic maps. Political maps. These maps shows boundaries, an area of different countries, states, cities, towns, etc. Physical maps. These maps show relief features such as mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus, etc. Thematic maps. These maps show particular features like population density, distribution of minerals, soils, vegetation, rainfall, etc. On the basis of scale, maps can be classified into two categories: large scale maps, small scale maps. Large scale maps. These maps show small area in a greater details like cities, towns, villages, etc. For example, topographical maps. These maps are usually drawn on a large scale and show details of all natural or man-made features such as road, railways, forest and villages, etc. Revenue maps. These are official maps to show the record of ownership of land and registration. They are not published for sale. Small scale maps. These maps show larger area in less details like mountains, plateaus, countries, etc. Wall maps. These are small scale maps which are used in the classrooms. They show large areas and natural as well as man-made features. Atlas map. In this, continents and countries are shown on which the main natural features, railway and major towns are marked. Importance of maps. Maps are important tool to geographers. They help them to understand the important things about the surface of the earth. It helps to calculate distance between two places. On a political maps, we get a clear picture of the countries, states, cities or towns of any part of the world. We can get information about mountains, plains, desert, etc. through maps. Maps show how important roads, sea routes, etc. are interconnected. Thematic maps stress on certain aspects like rainfall, crops, population, etc. Globe. All the features of the earth cannot be understood and explored by visiting all the places. A globe is a man-made model of the earth, which is three-dimensional in nature according to its height, length and width. It has two end axes, North Pole, South Pole. It shows the lines of latitudes and longitudes, continents, oceans, etc. There are certain limitations of globe. A globe shows less details than map. It is difficult to carry. On a globe, only half of the earth can be viewed at a time. So students, today we have learned about maps, types of maps, importance of maps and globe. Thank you and have a nice day.